In this Q&A session, I'm answering common questions about how I earned $1.8 million in just 12 months with affiliate marketing. Let's dive into the questions. I started with little investment, using free platforms like blogging and YouTube. I joined affiliate programs with high commissions to build a strong foundation. I promoted high-ticket items and products with recurring commissions, like software tools and online courses, for higher payouts and ongoing revenue. I drove traffic through SEO to attract free traffic. Then, I reinvested in paid ads on platforms like Google Ads and Facebook. My content focused on solving problems with in-depth reviews and tutorials. It was SEO optimized with clear calls to action to encourage conversions. I used tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, ConvertKit, and ClickFunnels to streamline processes and focus on high-level strategies. I scaled by automating processes, setting up sales funnels, nurturing leads, and outsourcing content to focus on strategy. I faced challenges with consistency and technical aspects. I overcame them by refining my strategies and learning from online resources. My advice: provide value, build trust, choose aligned products, focus on organic traffic first, then scale with ads and automation. I reinvested profits back into advertising, outsourcing, and tools while saving for taxes and focusing on scaling operations. Yes, by following my outlined formula, choosing the right products, creating quality content, and optimizing strategies, you can replicate my success. Affiliate marketing has transformed my life. Follow these steps and stay focused to reach your own milestones.